Hey, Daniel Parsons here. It's the 26th of September, 2025, third quarter of 2025. It's just closing very quickly. And I hear in the news, the business side of life every day is big box coffee retailers are closing locations because when a company gets really big, if it's not profitable, they will lay off workers and close locations. I live in the Pacific Northwest, and on the Seattle news, an unheard of roastery where they actually roast coffee beans got shut down in Seattle. And the people are like, what? So I've got an alternative to you. Have you got your own side gig in the gig economy? You know, people are driving cars instead of the taxis are very few nowadays. People are renting out properties on Airbnb. I've got a long profile on Airbnb where I've had wonderful studio apartments and other places all over the world. And so Vital Health has 3 incredible coffee brands right now, and they're going to add a latte and a little stick pack later this fall. This Thermo Cafe right here, this helps people with turning on the thermogenic process in your body, where your body starts burning off fat and things like that. And then this one here, the Love Cafe, it's got adaptogens. All the Vital Health products have adaptogens. Adaptogens are 14 specific herbs that they go in and they recognize what the body is needing, and they go, it's almost like a construction worker shows up on the job and there are certain things going on about a property and they need to go in and start doing repairs. It's the same principle. So this Love Cafe, I'm really enjoying that. It helps with libido. And then this Neuro Cafe helps with energy through the day, helps me stay mentally alert. And so I'm in my middle 60s, and I can go from 6 in the morning when the alarm bell rings all the way till I go to the bed in the evening. And so I want to quickly tell you how you can find these products. So let me go on screen share, and we're going to type in a site here, brainhealthincome.com. So just the word brain and then in health and then income.com. And when you go to brainhealthincome.com, you land on my Vital Health shop page. And so for people that are interested in having a side gig, and quite a few years ago, 35 million people in the United States of America had their own business where they are working out of their home. And of course, it exploded during the lockdown period of our generation. So you just would want to accept the cookies there. And your country or region is the United States, obviously. We are open in Canada and also in Canada, and they're expanding throughout the Caribbean, throughout Central America, and opening up in some places in South America also. And I speak a little bit of Spanish, but there's that Thermo Cafe I was telling you about. So absolutely incredible. If you want to get the wholesale pricing, it's just $29 for 1 year. That's similar to, like, you know, you go on big shopping sites and you pay a fee and you get some discounts and some benefits. So incredible product line here. This V-Isolate is wonderful for helping you relax. and helps with your sleep cycle. This v-nitro is wonderful for joint discomfort, inflammation. This V-Daily is incredible product here. So let me show you the advantage of doing the annual membership at $29. For retail, V-Daily $75. If you pay the $29 once a year, you can buy V-Daily, which is a complete full range of prebiotic, probiotic, minerals, enzymes, and vitamins, and you'll notice the difference. And you can get it for $50 at the wholesale price. So highly recommend, you know, if you don't have a side gig, this is a perfect opportunity. Our team is growing fast. And so I'll give you my phone number now, and then I'll give you the two disclaimers. Actually, I'll give you the disclaimers. First one is the income disclaimer. Vital Health does not guarantee that you're going to make any commissions whatsoever. It all depends on your skills, your abilities, and your effort. And so the FDA disclaimer about the products. Vital Health products have not been evaluated, and they are not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your licensed medical provider for your health concerns. And so you can reach me from the Central America, South America, from the Caribbean islands with my USA phone number, on Telegram for free. Area code 360-383-0265. And that's Pacific time zone weekdays. And so I have the Vital Health scanner coming. I might as well go and find that for you real quick and show that to you so you'll know what I'm talking about. I have that coming on Monday. And so this scanner is incredible because it will do a full readout of all the functions going on in your body. Okay, I would have to be logged into my account to be able to pull that scanner up. It's a quantum biometric scanner, and so it's an incredible device. It sure did detect all the things that I have going on with my body. And so we have everything you need here at Vital Health. We have all the training you need, and we have great support. And so I highly recommend these products. I was not drinking coffee for right about 20 years. And I saw that these adaptogens and some of the products, some of the ingredients in this Love Cafe is so powerful that I do half a teaspoon and it doesn't make me jittery. And so it sure does help me. And so in the Neuro Cafe, the same thing. And so I don't need to lose any weight. So I'm not currently taking Thermo Cafe, but I am selling it. So look forward to talking with you. I gave you my phone number, 360-383-0265. So this is Daniel, and I look forward to working with you and Vital Health. Bye for now.